How to see notifications on PayPal. Are guys facing issues to view notification on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the PayPal, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this bell icon. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to view notifications from PayPal. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to see your notifications on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.